How to screen record on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So the first method is using inbuilt screen recorder. Simply scroll down the notification panel. Again swipe down. Now find screen recording option. If you don't find the option, simply tap on three dots. Then tap on edit tiles. Now find screen recording and tap on the plus icon. Now simply go back. Now tap on screen recording to start the recording. Now the next method is go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now type screen recorder, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this application and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing the application, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Tap on the cross icon. Now give the permissions. Now scroll down. Now find screen recorder. Now enable this toggle and simply go back. Now give the permissions. Now tap on record to start recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.